Okay, assalamualaikum to you all. Let me start our session. What?
टेस्ट का तो मिस मेरे पास भी नहीं आ रहा था यूनिवर्सिटी में।
बेटा I assigned you diary as well as I shared video with you. So मेरे बच्चों, now we are going to start our GK session, and you know in GK class you have your test, so I am sharing link. Kindly do it, and after that we will discuss something very important and interesting, and I know you will like it. Okay, now come in your chat room box. I am sharing link. Okay. First of all, everyone turn on your camera, otherwise I will deduct one marks. Okay, kindly turn on your camera. And this is my promise, I will deduct your marks if you don't turn on your camera. Okay, so kindly open this link which I have shared with you and do your test in front of me. You have only 15 minutes to do. Yes sir, listen to me beta. Have you joined 2 times? Beta, have you joined?
This one.
Kindly tell me Kissa, have you joined with 2 times? You are using 2 devices right now. Tell me Kissa.
Miss, I'll give one and I am in the laptop now.
Beta, you are using 2 devices right now. Just of all, tell me. You are using 2 devices?
No, this one.
1. So.
Can you speak one more time? Assalamualaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam.
Can you send me one more time a link?
Beta, wait. Sabika, are you using 2 devices?
Yes.
Check, I am sharing link again and do it. Sabika, kindly use only one device, beta. Kansa, Misbah, kindly turn on your camera. Inaya, turn on your camera, please. Beta, I am hearing you, please. Don't ask from your elders. Do it by yourself.
Wafa, mama nagpapakain sila.
Jafar, where are you looking, beta?
तो किसी काम की नहीं है। पापा का हैंड कहाँ चला
मेरे
गया?
हमें कितनी अट्रैक्टिव प्लेसेस लिखनी है?
It's up to you.
चैट में जाएं। आपको मुझे ऑनलाइन चलाना नहीं आता कुछ।
बेकार लगता है मुझे ये सब, बेकार
मेरे साथ
क्लास
नंबर्स
माइक
कितना
खुला है
दूंगी?
तो सुन ले। हाँ हाँ सुन ले।
मेरे हमें कितनी अट्रैक्टिव प्लेस लिखनी है? 4,
Inaya,
5
it's
कितनी?
up to you, beta. It's up to you. Kanza and Mariam, this is my last warning. If you don't turn on your camera, I will deduct 1 mark. This is the last warning, Kanza and Mariam, Inaya. I will deduct 1 mark of each student. Yes, Mariam, you can speak. Unmute yourself.
Miss, why I am shutting my camera? Because my camera is broken in this device. I'm using another device.
Okay, listen to me, Mariam. You have to arrange new one device, okay? Because your examination is very near and you need to use camera.
I know I will.
Okay, Mariam?
My electricity problems also.
Okay, Mariam.
अट्रैक्टिव प्लेसेस का मतलब?
Attractive places means the most popular places which attract the visitors to come at that continent, okay? यानी कि attractive places क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पर वो जगह हैं जो अट्रैक्ट करती हैं टूरिस्ट को कि वो उस कंट्री और उस कॉन्टिनेंट में जाएं और वो प्लेसेस देखें। समझ आई? हमने ये डिस्कस किया था द मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्लेसेस of each continent. Dua, kindly look into your chat room. I have shared your test link and start your test, please. Dua, check it, beta.
अरे मेरा क्विज हो रहा है।
लेकिन हमें
अरे
क्या
मेरा
एक
क्विज हो रहा है।
शब्द का नाम लिखना है?
Beta, it is up to you. अगर आपको 2 याद है 2 लिख दें, 1 याद है 1 लिख दीजिए, सही है? Well done, Aras. Personally text me because I need your number and I didn't save your number, okay? On WhatsApp, I need your number. As well as Dua, you can also. Kanza, Kissa, and I know about Mariam number and Inaya number.
अमित 16 है ना? मेरा क्विज हो रहा है जीके का। मम्मी तो आप आए, मेरे को समझ वर्कशीट में से नहीं है।
Zara, I am hearing you, beta. Don't ask from your mama. You can do it by yourself, beta. Jafar, turn on your camera right now. I will deduct marks because you are not giving me solid reason. Please turn on your camera, Jafar. Give me solid reason for turning off the camera. Mariam has
अम्मी जो
given me
मोबाइल
solid
पीछे नहीं
reason.
करना।
And now do your test.
क्या खराब मोबाइल लेती नहीं होता है। भाई चार्ज नहीं है, 19 चार्जिंग है कहीं है दद्दा के मोबाइल की, आप ही नहीं समझते हैं।
Zara, turn on your camera. Good job, Dua. You have done your test. Well done. Dua, kindly attend your last GK test because you attended in front of me, but you forgot to submit. Dua, can you hear me? Yes, beta, you may speak. Unmute yourself.
Miss,
Ji.
I did submit it. I do not know if you get it
Beta,
or
but
not.
I didn't receive your score, beta. That's why I'm telling you. And personally, I send you message on university. Did you receive?
No, miss. Let me see.
Okay, kindly check university after the class. Okay, Dua?
Okay.
Beta, turn on your camera, please. Otherwise, I will deduct your marks. And during the class, you must be turn on your camera. Okay? Good job. Jafar, have you done your test?
Miss,
Yes.
You will
Sorry?
send in WhatsApp.
Yes.
Yes,
What
you will
Kissa?
send a link in WhatsApp.
But why, beta?
मिस मेरे उससे हो ही नहीं रहा, पता नहीं क्यों.
तो बेटा आपको पहले डिस्कस करना चाहिए था ना मुझसे. Now I'm sharing on your.
I'm leaving my. Yeah.
Look at your WhatsApp, beta.
Okay.
I have shared Kissa. Kindly check
Okay.
and do it as fast as possible, beta.
Miss,
Yes,
Miss?
beta. Gigi.
can you send me the link? Miss,
I
got disconnected because of my network.
Okay, I am sharing on chat room. Check it.
Miss? Okay. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome, baby.
We have
Ji.
time to do it.
Sorry. Repeat again, Kissa. Sorry, beta. Repeat again. There is too much distortion.
Miss, हम बाद में कर सकते हैं.
No, right now in front of me. Right now, Vista, you have 5 minutes to do right now. In front of you have to complete your test because Dua and Aras already done it. Have you done, beta? How long you need to complete, beta? It is too simple test. Jafar, are you facing some problem? No. Unmute yourself. Sabika, where are you, beta? Your camera is stuck. Are you doing your test, Sabika? आप अपना टेस्ट कर रही हो बेटा?
Yes.
Okay. Mariam, do you want to ask something? Because your hand is raised.
Um, I want to ask.
Yes.
Can if I know that in North America one of the
Mhm.
attractions is Lake Michigan. Is that all right if I write Lake Michigan?
Okay, let me check after that. According to question, you can write anything according to your knowledge. If it is correct, I will correct it. Okay, so no worry about it. Beta, after 2 minutes, your time's up, and then I will discuss something with you regarding activity of GK, which we will do by tomorrow. And I'm checking your responses. Only 2 responses I have received. Dua, I didn't receive your response. Dua, where are you, beta? Aras and Zara, I have received your test. Two minutes remain. Kanza, Inaya, turn on your camera. Yes, Zara, I have received your test. Good job. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Stop it. Stop your test right now. Turn on your camera. How can I talk with you? Please turn on your camera. I want to watch you. Except Mariam. Inaya, kindly turn on your camera. Zara, Aras, please unmute yourself. I want to talk with you, everyone. Unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, everyone. Everyone, please. Sayyida Kissa Fatma, are you hearing me? Inaya, are you hearing me? Okay, students, listen to me very carefully. By tomorrow, in your GK class, we will do activity. Okay, for doing activity, first of all, you have to bring white computer paper. If you have, so bring it. Otherwise, you can bring blank page. Zara, from your side, there is too much noise. And you know, on university, I have shared link about the activity which we will conduct by tomorrow. And you know what you have to bring for that activity. Got it? Aras, got it? Sarah,
teacher is calling you.
I think you have to listen me, Zara. Why are you listening your mother? Right now, you have to pay attention on your teacher. And you should be responsible student, I know. So listen to me on GK activity, what we will do. No one asked me. Okay, so listen to me very, very carefully. We will draw world map. Okay, in front of me, you all will draw world map and we will tell about everything what we will see in Asia, what we will see in Europe, and what is the attraction of the Europe as you learn it. Okay, and you have to draw it on the map. Okay, so I'm not saying that you have to draw perfectly. We just make it roughly, but you should know where is the North America, what is the kind of North America, and what are the main kind of oceans and where all they are situated. You have to write the name as well as what we will see on the oceans and what we will find from the ocean. So you have to draw it over there. Got it?
Miss, have you got my quiz?
Beta, wait, I'm telling you. Beta, do you want to ask something about activity? So kindly feel free, ask. Do you want to ask something, anyone? I have received Araz, Zara, Kanza, Jafar, Mariam. Mariam, I have received your
Rejoin you.
response.
Miss, have I
Beta,
rejoined? Miss, do I
yeah,
need to
yeah, you
rejoin?
have to, yeah, you have to rejoin me after GK class. Is your maths class? So kindly rejoin me. Let me conclude this session, and you have to rejoin me for maths class. Okay?
We doing worksheet.
Which one worksheet, beta?
Did we do worksheet in math class?
No, we will discuss something.
Okay.
Okay. So everyone kindly go and have some water and rejoin Miss Ikra for maths class. Take care, everyone. Allah Hafiz. Everyone, please leave the meeting and join
Yes.
again.
Miss, क्या हम
Better rejoin me again.
फ्रेश वाटर वाले मिस क्या हम लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर वाले में नाइल लिख